This is the Big Bamboo, a cocktail from the legendary Mai Kai in Fort Lauderdale. If you ordered this cocktail, would you order it again? Let's find out. To make this cocktail, let's start by cutting a lime in half. We are looking for 1/2 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. The next step is orange juice. Slice that guy in half, and 1/2 of an ounce of orange juice. I love flipping that thing back. Pour that into your blender. And then white grapefruit. We are also looking for another 1/2 of an ounce. I'm starting to sense a 1/2 ounce theme here. Pour that into your blender, and then the same thing for passion fruit syrup, 1/2 ounce. Couple dashes of Angostura bitters. And when we get into the rum, we're going to use 1/2 an ounce, again, of dark Jamaican rum. I'm using Hamilton Pot Still Black here, but at the Mai Kai they would have been using Kahala Bay. You could also use Caruba or Myers. The recipe calls for a gold Cuban rum. We're gonna be using a gold Puerto Rican rum, Bacardi 8 for this one, but you could also substitute a light Florida Cana. All right, we're gonna add some pebble ice, and then we are going to blend this guy up for just about 5 seconds. In hindsight, I probably should have used the Hamilton Beach, but this works too. And then pour the contents into your most beautiful, most enchanting ceramic bamboo mug. Top off with more pebble ice. Garnish with some mint and a Mai Kai swizzle stick. And from the Mai Kai in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, this is the Big Bamboo. Some of my favorite cocktails that I've ever had are by a guy named Mariano Liquidini from a place called the Mai Kai in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. The Big Bamboo is one of his creations. They say that this is the cocktail that you are rewarded with after completing the Akole Maluna Society Challenge, which means you drink every drink on the menu and then you finally get rewarded with the ability to order the Big Bamboo. So though I have not had every cocktail on the menu from the Mai Kai, we have the Big Bamboo here. This mug is a one-off mug sculpted by my buddy Nick Morton. I wanna say thank you again to Nick for this. He sent this to me a couple years ago, and this is just the best possible opportunity to use this mug. But let's find out that if I passed the test for the Akole Maluna Society and I was rewarded with this drink, would I order another one? Here we go. It's pretty good. I think that's a good drink. You definitely get the passion fruit. The combination of fruit juices that Mariano really liked was the orange juice, the lime juice, and the white grapefruit juice. You definitely get the sense of the Mai Kai here. It's just a great combination of fruit flavors. And if you were drinking this cocktail at the Molokai bar in the Mai Kai and it was served in something like this is not how they serve it, but if they did, yeah, I would definitely order this again. But I wanna ask my buddy, Jared Show, to come on and see what he thinks. So I'd like to welcome back onto the show my buddy and editor of this show, Jared Show.
Ba-dum-bum. Hey!
Jared, this is the Big Bamboo.
You could be serving me like puddle water in this and I would be excited because I love this mug.
I know.
So much. It's so amazing.
It's so good. It's so simple, but still like super detailed. It really looks like a piece of bamboo.
It makes me feel like I'm on Gilligan's Island.
All right.
Here we go.
Skipper.
I'm the skipper?
Well, I guess, I don't know.
I need your hat for that.
No, true. What do you think?
That's the most amazing drink I've had in my entire life.
I feel like you said that before on the show.
Did I?
Yeah. I guess you just keep finding better and better drinks.
That one tops it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
You want to finish that one?
I love it. I love the mint. I love the mug. I love the taste. That's a tiki drink.
What are the flavors that you're getting?
Awesome flavors.
Okay.
I'm getting the passion fruit. I'm getting the rum. A little bit of bitters. I'm getting, what else did you put in it?
You're just pointing the things that are on the far top.
That I'm tasting it. And it's great. I would definitely get this drink the next time I'm in Fort Lauderdale at the Mai Kai. And maybe I can borrow this and take this with me, this mug, and just like, can you pour it in this? No?
No.
But is there like a longer episode of this we could check out?
If you're interested in a longer episode about the Big Bamboo, search into the archives, enter Big Bamboo into Spike's Breezeway Cocktail Hour channel, and see what you come up with. I think there is a longer episode.
Or just watch this and make the drink and that's it.
If you aren't already a member of the Patreon, consider joining the Patreon. We will send you an enamel pin. You get opportunities to buy things like Tiki mugs and whatever goes on sale from Spike's Breezeway Cocktail Hour before it goes on sale to anybody else. Folks, if you've enjoyed this, found it interesting, compelling, educational, any of those kind of things, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and if you don't hit that subscribe button,
The Hula Girls will only do cover songs of Taylor Swift for the next year.
I didn't agree to that.